way to Mount Agung, and it's about 2 p.m. I was feeling really sick this morning, so I didn't get to film that much. We're almost there, about 20 minutes away. We got to find a guide, and then we're gonna try and sleep because we have to get up at 11 p.m. tonight to go for a trek. But I haven't shown you guys what's going on over here. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, so I'm gonna try and film a little bit now.
One hour later.
How much for this room?
One room about 350.
350.
Yeah, 350 for one night. For climber, about $100.
That's very expensive.
How much?
$40
For one?
total.
Total?
Yeah.
Include accommodation?
No, $40 for a guide.
Oh, no. Good price, okay, for $80. Agent, maybe you pay about 3 million. Here, I give you that price is low price.
Okay, so we ended up agreeing on $40 a person for this guide. Take us up to Mount Agung, and we leave tonight at 10:30. And now we're just gonna pass time by exploring this area, getting some food, and then trying to get some sleep. It's 3:30. So if we went to sleep now, we get 7 hours, but it's too much time.
20 minutes later.
We just took a random road and we came up to yo, I want to go in here. You have my key. It's on the ground. It's on the ground right there. Get that Instagram. Get that Instagram. Did you get it?
I want with some grass on it too. That looks nice.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm an Insta girl, you know.
An Insta girl.
Yeah, like these girls who totally flipping out about posting their whole life on Instagram.
Look, I'm not the only one that holds a camera up. He's trying to Snapchat as he drives too. Hey, you Snapchatting?
Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, wait. This is yours?
Yes,
Yeah, this one's mine.
Oop, oop. Name is there. Nationality is here.
See you, thank you. Okay guys, so it's 10:30 p.m. We're up and we're headed to the start of this trek to Mount Agung, and it's 3,200 meters high. And if we want to get there by sunrise, we gotta leave at 10:30 p.m. the day before. Yeah, take it off. Ooh, sexy German taking it off.